Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Ali West and you are watching YouTube channel A Level Camps. In this lecture we will discuss exercise 3B compound angle formulae. In this we will have to express the trigonometric ratios in the form of, let's say, sine theta plus 60 degree. So we have to use the compound angle formulae. So what we have to do here, I will give you some actually the proof is not necessary for you, so I am skipping it and give you the formulas for it and some other trigonometric identities which are useful and will be helpful to use it. So dear students, firstly we will have some trigonometric relations. Let's say sine minus theta is minus sine theta, cos minus theta is cos theta, because let's say theta is, when we say that the angle theta, it means we are considering the angle between 0 to 90. It is standard. For the minus theta, you will be in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant sine is negative because cos is positive here, so sine is negative. And for cos minus theta, cos will be positive, so you can write it as this one. And now the compound angle formulae, we can write sine theta plus phi. Let's say there are two angles, one angle is theta, another is phi. So you can write here sine theta cos phi, cos theta sine phi. Similarly, if you have theta minus phi, you can write sine theta cos phi, cos theta sine phi. And for cosecant, for cos theta plus phi, you can write cos theta cos phi minus sine theta sine phi. And similarly for cos theta minus phi, you can write here cos theta cos phi plus sine theta sine phi. So you can observe for the sine compound angle, here occur the mixed trigonometric ratios, but for the cos, here occur the same trigonometric ratios. Let's say we define some another pi by 2 plus theta. So pi by 2 plus theta will be in second. So you have here cos theta, because sine is positive in the second, so you have positive cos theta. And if you have cos pi by 2 plus theta, so it will be in the second, and in the second cos is negative, so you can write here sine theta. Similarly, you can write pi plus theta. Theta is in the first quadrant. If you add pi, you will be in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant sine is negative, so you can write here sine theta negative. And similarly, cos pi plus theta, cos is negative, so you can write cos negative minus cos theta. And if we write down here sine pi minus theta, sine pi minus theta will be in second quadrant. So in second quadrant sine is positive, so you can write here the positive sine theta. And similarly for cos pi minus theta, you can write here minus cos theta. So you can see that I have written this relation in the form of compound. If you take phi here, evaluate value this, and put values here, pi in place of phi, you will get the same answer. Because let's say I place here phi equal to pi, here will be pi, and here will be pi. Sine pi is 0, so you have sine theta cos pi is minus 1, so you have minus sine theta. So you can see from here. And similarly the all other you can verify. And for the tangent compound angle, you can write down, let's say theta plus phi, you will write here tangent theta plus tangent phi 1 minus tangent theta tangent phi. And similarly for tan theta minus phi, you can write here tangent theta tangent phi 1 plus tangent theta tangent phi. So dear student, actually tangent theta plus phi is equal to sin theta plus phi over cos theta plus phi, and you divide here by sin theta, cos theta, cos phi, cos theta, cos phi, you will get this relation. And similarly for here, you have to divide by cos theta, cos phi, you will get this relation. It is not a difficult task, you can do it. So student, now we solve the exercise 3b. In question number 1, third part, he is saying that find the value of tangent 15 by using the compound angle formula. So we know that tangent theta minus phi is equal to tan theta tan phi 1 plus tan theta tan phi. So substitute 45 theta and phi is 30. You will get tan 45 tan 30 1 plus tan 45 and tan 30. So you can see tangent 45 is 1, tangent 30 is 1 by under root 3. It is 1 plus 1 by square root 3. So you can write from here square root 3 minus 1 and square root 3 plus 1, the LCM will be balanced. So that is your answer. It is equal to tan 15 degree. This is your answer.